pistons I'm using in the 289 are these Summit Hyper-Eutectic. They're a flat top, you know, 4-eyebrow, you know, piston. They were a pretty good economical choice for street engine. It's $99.97. The camshaft is also from Summit. You see the part number there. Here's the cam card. It's 471 lift. Duration at 50 is 218, 228. All these parts, most all of it's stuff I've just had stockpiled. That's why a lot of it's different brands, but the rings are a Molly cast ring. And rod bearings are Engine Tech. But this particular set is actually made by King. It actually has the King marking on the bottom of the bearing. Cam bearings were Clevite, some old stock. That was an eBay purchase. And these, the main bearings are the Federal Mogul Performance bearings. That was also another eBay purchase. The timing set is just your basic stock replacement. It's CarQuest, part number 73054. That particular part number fits HO 302 Mustang 82 through 93. It's a double row design. It's not a true double roller, but it's a double row. For a mild street performance engine, I've had good luck with them, no problems. And that was just empty box for the cam. It's already over there. This is one of those kits. This is, like I was talking about, where I had those bearings over there left out of one. You know, you get the complete gasket set, rod bearings, main bearings, and piston rings. All this one shipped to the house, $64.97. So if you need just, a lot of times if I'm just needing a gasket set, I'll order one, and you know, I'll mix match whatever the sizes are, just have some different stuff on hand. Like this particular kit, I ordered it for that roller 302 over there. If it's a focus. Well, it won't seem to focus, but that's 60 over on the rings and 10 on the rod and the mains. So, that Engine Tech stuff, you know, most of your reman engines you buy, that's what they actually use, is a lot of this Engine Tech stuff. I really wouldn't recommend it for a race engine or anything, but just your basic street performance engine, most of the time it's okay. I like to put the cam in before I put the crank in. That way you can reach in and guide it. That's to not nick the cam bearings. I already put this in the lube on every lobe. Then I'll also put a good liberal amount on each lifter as they go in. But like I said, I always like to try to stick the cam in first if I can. Just makes it a little easier, less likely to nick the cam bearings. These tapered ring compressors, they make life so much easier. Always just like to go back through, just double check all of it again. But that's the little 289 short blocked. Try to get the rest of it put together tomorrow. I'd sure like to get this thing together soon and get it in. Spring's gonna be here before we know it.